Hey everyone, welcome to Time Trade. Even if you've got just a single dollar sitting in your account, don't worry. By using the right signals from artificial intelligence, you can give your deposit a real turbo boost. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how to properly work with a powerful trading neural network, combining its signals with own trading logic to get real results. A lot of my subscribers have already jumped on this opportunity. They're using the bot daily and seeing impressive profits. And the best part? You don't even need to register to try it out. Just click the link below to open the bot interface, hit the menu icon, and choose the start command. After that, simply press the test signal button. You'll instantly get access to the bot's test mode. And once you've tried it out, you can claim the full version absolutely free as part of a current promotion. This means you'll keep full access to the AI system forever, no strings attached. And by the way, a free cool training course on trading will be released soon. To get it, just subscribe to my Telegram and join the team. So, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss future updates on trading with AI. Let's get into it. So let's get started. In the trading bot interface, select a currency pair for this trading session. I'll take the Australian dollar and American dollar. Now go to the Pocket Option Broker interface and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. The expiration time will be 1 minute. I'll start my acceleration with $1. In the following trades, I'll invest all the profit for the maximum boost of my deposit. Now we go back to the bot interface, press the expiration time button, and wait for the signal. As you can see, the neural network predicts that the price will go up. So I go to the broker, assess the situation on the market, and press the green button up. Friends, for ease of viewing and saving your time, I increase the speed of price movement on the montage. Watch this video to the end, because now I will tell you about the conditions for free connection of this unique trading tool. At the end of the video, we will look at the results. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram and join the team to get a cool free trading training course. Meanwhile, the first trade has come to an end. As you can see, the first 84 cents have arrived on my deposit. Now, I will invest the entire profit amount in the second trade and enter the market in accordance with the signal from the neural network. By analogy, I will continue to act according to this strategy. Now, I have entered the market again to increase the price in accordance with the general upward trend. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of the neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%. But for responsible trading, always use your trading logic, because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start, but did not know where to start, or tried, but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. While this trade is still active, let's take a moment to explore how a beginner can adapt to the new and demanding path of becoming a trader. And, more importantly, how to manage emotions that often get out of hand early on. Starting out in trading is a deliberate and valuable move toward developing a skill set built on logic, strategic thinking, and personal growth. But the first steps are rarely smooth. Emotional hurdles like fear, greed, hesitation, and impulsive reactions are common for new traders. Market conditions constantly shift, and when real money is on the line, even a calm individual can be thrown off by stress or excitement. One of the key psychological tasks at the beginning is learning to accept the inevitable. You will make mistakes. Losses aren't signs of defeat, they're clues. Viewing setbacks as feedback instead of failures lays the groundwork for steady improvement. Greed and thrill seeking, however, can push newcomers into poor habits like entering too many trades, breaking plans, or chasing fast profits. These reactions are emotionally driven and often ignore sound analysis. To succeed, beginners must create emotional distance from each trade. A great method for this is to keep a detailed trading journal, not just for results, but for capturing inner thoughts, emotional states, and the logic behind every action. This encourages deeper self-awareness and helps identify recurring emotional traps that lead to errors. As these become more visible, it becomes easier to develop discipline and consistency in trading decisions. Confidence doesn't come from lucky wins, it's built on structure. A confident trader is one who follows their process, does proper analysis, and sticks to the rules regardless of temptation. Confidence grows from the reliability of your own system, not from chance. This is where awareness becomes a game changer. A trader who is truly aware not only executes trades, but monitors their mindset, reviews past actions, and tweaks their approach intelligently. It means being able to pause when needed, rethink your moves, and only enter the market when you fully grasp both the risks and the opportunities. Reaching this mindset takes time and patience. Many give up during this stage, not realizing that this emotional evolution is what leads to becoming a true professional. By the way, let me remind you, this neural network I'm currently working with is completely free to start using. Just click the link in the description and follow the steps to set it up through the bot interface. You'll get full functionality right away and keep access for life. If you need help, our manager is always ready to assist with registration and broker verification. Plus, don't miss out on my free training content. Join our Telegram channel and grab the materials to boost your skills. In this era, trading with the help of neural networks has become a breakthrough solution for beginners. As of 2025, these systems are easier than ever to use, packed with insights, and extremely reliable. They process huge amounts of real-time market data and deliver signals based on pattern recognition, price movement dynamics, and momentum analysis. For those just starting out, it eliminates the need to rely on guesses or limited experience. Neural networks operate purely on logic and statistics. They're immune to emotional swings. When integrated into a trader's system, they support discipline by providing clear, structured signals. The trader can then fit these signals into their overall strategy, choose to act or wait, and trade with more confidence and far less impulsiveness. Friends, I want to repeat once again that you can just test this tool first. Moreover, I want to draw your attention to the fact that registration is not required. All you need to do is follow the link in the description in the bot menu and click the menu button. Then select the Start command. After that, in the window that appears, click the Test Signals button. You'll get the opportunity for 3 openings of trading on a signal from artificial intelligence. If you're satisfied with everything, and if you like the work of this tool, you can get the bot under the terms of the promotion for free and forever. Meanwhile, let's sum up this trading session. As you can see, I got great results starting with just $1. Thanks to the accurate forecast from artificial intelligence and trading logic, my deposit has increased significantly. Time Trade Channel is with you. I wish you a good day and responsible, profitable trading.